Ladies and gentlemen, if you've ever wondered how successful people seem to know everything, stay ahead, and achieve more, this is the video for you. Because what they do is devour information, read, listen, absorb, etc., and I'm here to teach you how to do that. If you're new here, my name is Matthew. I'm a self-taught developer and entrepreneur, and today I'll show the methods the 1% use to devour information, apply it, and stay unstoppable. There's a reason why some of the most successful people in history have been voracious readers. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's legendary business partner, famously said, "In my whole life, I have known no wise people who didn't read all the time. None. Zero." Think about that for a moment. The people you admire, the innovators, leaders, and visionaries, they're not consuming low-value, short-form content on their phones. They're consuming high-value, thought-forming, and provoking information constantly. Here's how you can adopt this mindset. Schedule time to read. Just like you schedule meetings or gym sessions, block out daily time to read. To start, schedule 20 minutes a day and gradually increase it. In fact, at 20 minutes a day, you can read on average a book every 2 and a bit weeks, meaning after 5 years of consistent reading, you can pick up 108 potentially life-changing books and read them cover to cover. Read broadly and deeply. Don't just stick to one field. Read about history, science, psychology, and technology. Great ideas often come from connecting knowledge across different domains. Replace low-value content. Do yourself a favor and open the screen time on your phone. Take a look at the time you spend on scrolling, TV binges, or distractions. Try to devote half of that amount of time to high-quality content like podcasts, audiobooks, or long-form videos. Remember, knowledge is one of the sure things in this volatile world. As billionaire Thomas Peterffy said, knowledge is the only thing they can't take away from you. Step 2. Build a learning routine. The most successful learners treat acquiring knowledge like a habit, not a hobby. It's something they do every day without fail. Here's how you can build a routine that works for you. Morning learning. Start your day with 20 to 30 minutes of focused reading or listening. Studies show that your brain is most alert and receptive in the morning. Active reflection. At the end of the day, take 5 minutes to journal or just reflect what you found interesting. What surprised you? What challenged your thinking? Environment matters. Create a space dedicated to learning. A clutter-free desk, a comfortable chair, and a good lamp can make a world of difference. Over time, this routine compounds. What starts as a small habit grows into a lifestyle of continuous improvement. As a bonus, I'd recommend you do what I did and get Atomic Habits when you want to get serious about reading. That'll equip you with the tools you need to keep you reading beyond the short-lived motivation this video may provide. Step 3. Leverage technology to supercharge learning. We're living in the most exciting time for learners. With technology, you have access to more information than anyone in history, but it's up to you to use it wisely. Here are 3 tools to help you become a learning machine. Kindle or e-reader. Carry an entire library in your pocket and substitute it for your phone if you're bored on the go. Note-taking apps. Tools like Notion or Obsidian allow you to organize your thoughts, form opinions about what you read, and build a personal knowledge base. Podcasts and audiobooks turn commutes, workouts, or chores into learning opportunities. And finally, my own tool, and coincidentally the sponsor of the video speedreader.com, can be used to get you reading faster and more perspectively. What it does is flashes the words in front of your eyes at a given pace in order to force your brain to stop sub-vocalizing and focus on comprehension. The premium version of speedreader.com, which includes faster words per minute pace, light/dark mode, and optical scanning, is currently $1.99. That's probably as much money as is under your couch. Head to the link in the description and read 2 to 3 times faster to get ahead of the average person. Step 4. Surround yourself with learners. Finally, one of the most underrated hacks for becoming a learning machine is to surround yourself with people who value knowledge. Jim Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Find a community, online or offline, of people who are curious, ambitious, and committed to growth. Discuss ideas, share resources, and hold each other accountable. Learning is contagious. When you're around people who are constantly improving, it inspires you to do the same. Closing thoughts. Becoming a learning machine in 2025 isn't just about locking in, it's about being consistent and intentional. Follow these steps. Create a reading schedule with a compulsory amount of minutes, pages, or chapters to read. Build a daily learning routine. Use technology like speedreader.com to your advantage. Surround yourself with like-minded learners. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful and would want to see videos like this in the future, let YouTube know by tapping the buttons below.